fusion pasta with Schezwan chutney. In this, we would be using fusilli pasta. You could use either fusilli pasta or penne pasta. Both would be fine. But in this, we are using this one of our key ingredients. This is like whole wheat pasta. It's very healthy, and you would get all the herbaceous flavors. Okay. So, and these the rest of the ingredients are 2 green chilies, 4 pieces of cloves, some freshly chopped coriander, handful of pine nuts, and this is processed cheese. You could use any type of processed cheese, that would be fine. And as you would be knowing, pine nuts and this cheese, these are the key flavors of our pasta making process. In this, we are using virgin olive oil. Instead of this, you can use normal oil also, but using this virgin olive oil, it would give very good flavor to your pasta. It would be very herbaceous also. The rest of the 2 key ingredients, obviously Schezwan chutney and some dry herb basils. And this dry basil is the key ingredients. You can use oregano also instead if you are not having these. Thank you. So let's start cooking. Now we have to make a sauce for our pasta. For these, we need some processed cheese, 4 cloves of garlic, freshly chopped coriander, 2 green chilies, and some handful of pine nuts. We are going to create a sauce mixing these, and water and oil. You have to make a thick consistency, so you have to add water as per your need. You have to see whether the consistency is thick or not. We have to boil the pasta. For that, we have added good amount of water, some salt, and drops of oil. So now it's been 10 minutes. Now you can see that the consistency of the pasta is like this. It's very fluffy type. So this means that your pasta is cooked now. Okay, so now first preheat the pan and then add 2 spoons of oil. Now just spread the oil a little bit. Okay. Add this small spoon of Schezwan sauce. Now stir it. Now you will add the sauce. You can smell nice flavor. Now You just add all the sauce. All the sauce. Okay. Now, once you see it's roasted like this, you can add all the pasta. Now stir it so the sauce is evenly spread among the pasta. Now add some dried basil. We are ready to serve our Desi fusion pasta. It's very healthy, herbaceous and very delicious.